Discovering, exploring and penetrating deeper into space are aspirations of mankind that have become ever more pressing with the steady advance of science and technology. The space age continues to be a powerful reality that offers ever clearer and more practical results, something boosted by this alliance of ever more effective ambitions and resources. The continuous progress achieved for use in space since the Apollo program has allowed us to obtain scientific and technical innovations that can also offer solutions to multiple needs in our daily lives. This is precisely what we call technology transfer. For example, the need to maintain men in orbit has made it necessary to develop special suits and life support systems in space. These have in turn facilitated advances in civilian fields such as medicine, or in the manufacture of everyday articles such as dodotis or disposable nappies. With regard to medicine and health, progresses in space have led to the development of telemedicine, cancer detection systems, or embryonic cells and microscopic sensors. Other relevant solutions in the same medical field are those relative to illnesses such as leukemia or the special protection suit of intolerance to ultraviolet rays.
No weather content anywhere on it.
We could mention countless examples of the transfer of solutions applicable to human needs.
We think from an arms standpoint it's acceptable.
Maintaining large structures in orbit has made it necessary to generate energy in space with practical solutions that, like solar panels or hydrogen batteries, contribute to sustainable development and broaden new horizons toward cleaner transportation. A similar line of progress includes the systems used for something that is now as routine as electronic toll control on motorways or electronic payments and other services. With regard to the industrial area, space is a continuous source of new materials, such as ceramics, capable of withstanding the extreme temperatures of space devices when re-entering the atmosphere. These are materials that, for example, are used to manufacture the brakes of Formula One cars or exhaust pipe insulation. In the area of new materials, carbon fiber composites are also relevant, whose industrial applications originate from their use in space satellite structures. These types of materials are common in the manufacturing of sporting material such as surfboards and skis. Neither can we overlook the fact that the aerodynamic design techniques utilized for space vehicles have made it possible to improve the design of marine and sailing vessels. One very well-known area of space research is the application in systems used to enhance personal security, such as airbags, ABS brakes, early detection of ocean pollution, or the prediction of natural disasters by Earth observation satellites. The examples of civil applications are unending. The need for mechanical, automatic or robotic systems to perform operations in orbit has applications in the industrial sector. This is how high precision and control automatic assembly equipment or lines are attained. Telecommunications is another field of continuous advancement. By means of satellite constellations and their associated networks on Earth, such as GPS or the future Galileo, worldwide navigation and localization systems have been established. These new systems have applications that are as generalized and necessary in daily life as aerial navigation, logistics operations in transportation, and mobile communications. One of the fundamental activities underlying the transfer of technology from space to other areas of life consists of the scientific experiments carried out in orbit. During the Cervantes mission at the International Space Station, the Spanish astronaut Pedro Duque carried out important experiments in the field of life science, such as the aging of flies, gene expression in embryo development, cell proliferation, and plant root growth, which allowed us to have a better understanding of the mechanisms of adaptation to life in space. Pedro Duque also carried out educational experiments that will help us to train future space scientists. These revealing examples highlight the importance of the advances made in space in providing solutions for human needs, the vital role played by space in our lives. The members of the Spanish Association of Space Sector Companies, ProEspacio, have joined forces with government, industry, technological centers and scientific groups to ensure that our country is at the forefront of space innovation.
Para España, para cualquier país, es importante estar en la vanguardia del desarrollo de la ciencia y la tecnología.
This task is fundamental for ensuring the sustainable development of Spanish society and the construction of a better future for us all.